You've done drugs. You have a boyfriend. You still love your exes. Hey guys, it's Marissa, and today I have a really fun video for you guys. So today we're going to be doing an assumptions video. So I've already done one of these, which I will have it linked down below. You guys can check that one out too if you want to see more of what people assume about me. These started going back around. I was like, this was super fun the first time I did it, so we're gonna do it again. Basically, I asked you guys on my Instagram, which I will have my Instagram down below so you guys can follow me for next time. On Instagram to just assume stuff about me, and I'm gonna tell y'all the tea today, okay? The tea on if y'all are right or wrong. I can't talk. If you guys are right or wrong. So yeah, if you guys are new here, my name is Marissa. I do 2 new videos every week, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I will have, well, YouTube will have the subscribe button right down below, and make sure you guys click the bell next to it so you guys can know when I upload. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social media. So I have my Snapchat right here, and then my Instagram and Twitter right here. Like I said, I do a lot of things on my Instagram where you guys can interact with my videos, so make sure you guys are following me on there, and the other ones I'm just on all the time, so make sure y'all follow me. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Also, I'm sorry about this ugly background. I know it's super ugly. One day we're gonna have a cute background, just wait on it. Okay, so first one is, you're really sweet and caring person. By the way, you're so pretty. So first off, thank you so much. But yeah, I would like to think that I'm a sweet and caring person. I think a lot of people tell me that, so I feel like I believe that. But yeah, I think I'm pretty like genuine, I think. Okay, next one. You'd be taller in person. So this person has actually met me, but yes, everyone assumes that I am tall, and I'm literally so short. I've said this before in videos, but I swear every person I meet is like, oh my gosh, I thought you'd be taller. But guys, I'm literally 4'11", so like your girl's out here short. And I've had people tell me that they like saw my Instagram and thought that I'd be like 5'9" type shit, and I'm like, oh, I know I'm a catfish on Instagram, but I didn't know that I was like a catfish for my height, but I literally am, I guess. I don't know, because I guess it's because I know my own height, but I'm like, I don't think I look tall. I don't know. Let me know if you guys thought I was tall or short, but I'm hella short. So okay, next one. You have a boyfriend. Girl, tell me where he's at. I would love to know. No, I don't have a boyfriend. I don't want a boyfriend. Boys are disgusting. Boys are just ew. They're just annoying. But no boyfriend here, girl. We single out here. Okay, next. You have a lot of friends. I wouldn't consider myself to have a lot of friends, because I feel like I have like not a lot of close, ooh, look at my hair. But yeah, I feel like I don't have a lot of close friends, like close people that I like trust and like I can tell my personal life to and stuff. But I have a lot of like acquaintances, I guess. People that, you know, like I go out with, people that I talk to, like, just, you know what I mean? But it's like, it's different to me. There's a difference between like a friend and like an acquaintance. Like there's friends that you have that you could just like go hang out with and stuff, and then there's friends that you like have deep talks and like talk about your whole life story with, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like I don't have a lot of friends like that, but in general, I guess I have a lot of acquaintances. Plus, I don't know what a lot is. I have a lot for me, at least. I've had more acquaintances now in my life than I probably ever have, so. But I wouldn't say they're like all my BFF friends. You know what I'm saying? All right, next. You seem like a fun person to be around. I like to think I'm a fun person to be around. I don't know. I think drunk me is a funner person to be around. I don't think I'm a bad vibe. I've never gotten a complaint. I don't know. I literally don't know. It's like hard to answer, because like I would like to think so, but maybe I'm actually not, and I'm on here lying. Okay, next one. You're single. Yes, I just said have no boyfriend. Your girl is single and not mad about it. You're bisexual. No, I'm not. Unfortunately, I like men and I hate it, but that's where we're at. You like to keep your circle small. So yeah, I kind of just answered this. I feel like my circle would be like my close friends, and that I always have had just like a small, like 1 or 2 people that I feel like I can really like trust. But yeah, like I like having, I don't know how to describe it, like I like having, like I said, acquaintances, I guess. Like that's like a crappy word to use, but like I guess like that's the best way I can like decipher like a friend and like an acquaintance, you know? But yeah, my circle of like true people that like I know have my back, it's always small. It's just like I just don't trust people like that enough to even have a big circle of people that I can really like know have my back. But in general, like if I'm going out with friends and stuff, then it's fun to have like a bunch of friends, like acquaintances, whatever there. Okay, this next one says you're privileged. So I like this question, or this assumption, I guess. I think there's a huge difference between like privileged and spoiled, and if we're saying spoiled, not at all. Everything I own, I've always worked for myself. Like my parents have never really, like I was never given stuff. Like everything I have, I work for. My car, my apartment, you know what I mean? Like I work my ass off for everything that I do, that I have. Like I've worked for my clothes, whatever it is, you know. But privileged, I would say like yes, because in my head privileged is like the opportunities you're given, I guess, versus somebody that didn't have the same opportunities. So growing up, like, you know, I got an education, I was able to go to school, I was able to go to college, I was able to go to cosmetology school, I was like privileged enough to be able to get certain jobs, like, you know what I mean? Like I was privileged enough to have the opportunity to work for the things that I have, if that makes any sense. But I'm not spoiled. It wasn't just here's everything given to you on a silver platter. Like no, it wasn't like that. But I also recognize the fact that a lot of the things that I've been able to do have been because I've been given opportunities to work my ass off, and some people don't get the opportunities to even, you know, get those jobs, to even get to go to college, to even get to go to cosmetology school, to even get to go into the career field that they want to go into, to even get a high school education, you know. Like some people don't get that, and it's because they don't have the privilege of that. So like I like to recognize that I have had the privilege of that, if that makes any sense. All right, next, you're the wild one out of the friend group. I don't think so. I feel like I'm more like the mom. I don't know though. I have my moments. Like I really like drunk Marissa comes out and that is a different person. She is the wild one of everything. But yeah, I feel like I'm not the wild one. I feel like I'm more like, okay, like trying to keep everything together. I don't know, but I really don't know. That's like hard to answer about yourself. Like I don't see myself as that, but like maybe I am. You've done drugs. Not like hard drugs, like not like anything crazy, but like weed, that's legal here. So I feel like it's not a drug if it's legal. Like what would it be? Like, but no, like hard drugs, no. I've been blackout drunk before. Girl, more times than I would even like to admit. But yes, I'm also 23, so like I'm of age. Have I been blackout drunk before I was of age? We're not gonna talk about it. But yeah, for sure, quarantine's been doing me dirty. Oh, next one. Oh, this is deep. Okay, we're getting deep over here. You still love your exes. Not in like a in love, like I would want to date any of them ever again type of way, but in like a, you know, I have love for you, like we were close as people for like a period of time. So like obviously I care about them to like some extent. Like I feel like you can't, I don't know, I'm not the type of person where like I can be that close with somebody and like not ever care about them no matter how dirty they did me. So like I still have love for them. I wish them all the best in life, just like really far away from me. Okay, last one and then we're done. You like being single. Yes, I've actually really enjoyed being single, and yeah, I don't really see myself being unsingle anytime soon unless something crazy happens. But I've been enjoying like focusing on myself, going out, having fun, not having to worry about, you know, guys and stupid shit half the time, you know, living my best life. I feel like at this point I'm new, like I just moved to Las Vegas, if you guys are new here, if you don't know that. But yeah, like I feel like still exploring, like how can I, you know what I mean, like how can I be in a relationship? I just even moved to this side of the freaking country, you know what I mean? Yeah, I've definitely enjoyed being single. I just feel like I have a lot on my plate. I feel like I have a lot of career stuff that I want to work on first. I have a lot of me stuff that I want to heal, like just healing myself first. Like I just want to be a healthy version of myself when I decide to get in another relationship. So right now I've just loved single and just focusing on me and just living it up out here. Okay, all that I'm gonna say for today. Thank you guys so much for sending in questions, and yeah, if you guys want to be a part of the next, you know, question answer whatever, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because that is where I always ask you guys my questions or ask for questions. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video next Monday or Thursday. Peace out.